Assembly for the first one's easy. You just take pull part B, and this is already in there, and you just screw it in place. And you got to do it a bunch of other times and use these brackets. So you get all your bits in place, move on to installing silicone. Gonna make sure that you take your connection here and properly connect it here. Recommended that you tuck your wires down into here, but also power on your thing, make sure you did it correctly, but it also show you the back here goes in here, and there's a little rubber channel that fits going all the way up. This will be setup of the Govee RGBICW floor lamp basic. It's actually just outside of frame there. We can search for this floor lamp, and here we go, floor lamp basic. So Bluetooth device, we're gonna click on that and have it connect. Device is in pairing. Please short press the on and off button. Okay, put this here while I go do that. And just like that, paired it up. And we're just gonna give it a name, very basic name. So it's searching for Wi-Fi, has my information because I have other Govee devices. There's an update, so you wanna do that. And we'll just let that run. So you can't see off camera, it's flashing, but we look like we're good. So right now it's a warm light. I'm gonna change it to a cold. Right now it's at 1%. I'm gonna bump that up to 100%. You probably see that on camera now, right back there. All right, so that is set up.